Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually look beautiful without applying any makeup, and how you can actually reverse your age and look half your age. Okay, now this anti-aging remedy is actually superb. It is actually very effective. It helps so much to remove pigment, dark spots, age-related problems like fine lines, and as well as wrinkles. This is wonderful. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Okay guys, so looking at your age, you're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato helps to remove all unwanted hair. It helps to close a large pores, which makes your skin look uneven and age. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be taking just a little quantity of this. So I'm going to be blending this. Take it up. Now I'm going to be blending this, and I'm not going to be putting in water. Okay, so I'm going to be turning the tomato into a bowl. Alright, so the very next ingredient, which is very important, is oatmeal. Yeah, so oatmeal helps to absorb excessive oil from the skin. It helps to leave your skin looking super young, and it helps to make your skin smooth. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be putting about 3 tablespoons of this oatmeal into this tomato paste, and then we're going to give it a stir. Alright, so cucumber helps so much to remove fine lines and wrinkles from the skin. It helps to rejuvenate your skin and make you look half your age. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to cut the cucumber into pieces. And then we'll grab our blender. Then we'll have to blend it really smooth. Okay guys, so this is an amazing ingredient. Oh my goodness, so I'm actually going to be pouring everything together because the oatmeal is going to suck in the cucumber juice, which is actually going to make this work very well. Yeah, so after doing that, we would be giving it a stir. Okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is actually very important, is rice powder. Now, rice powder helps so much in lightening up the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and make the skin look younger. So for you to achieve that glow and that younger skin, you'd have to be needing to put in at least 1 tablespoon of rice powder, or you can actually put in rice paste. Yeah, so what I mean by rice paste is that you have to get your rice and then you would cook it and blend it, then you have your rice paste. Okay, so after doing this, we're equally gonna be needing some oil. So you can use Vaseline Blue Seal or you can use coconut oil. So for this, I'm actually going to be using a little bit of this Vaseline. Now this is actually going to help to create a glow on the skin and make your skin evenly beautiful and really smooth. Yeah, okay, so you mix everything up and here you have your full ingredients, and this is really important. This is really gonna help you. Okay guys, so for this particular one, you can apply it onto your skin for at least 2 times a week. Now that way it's going to help so much to make your skin look really young, really glowing and super beautiful. Yeah, hey, so this is our treatment, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be getting a brush and then we're gonna be applying this onto the face. Okay, or have to apply it generously, but before you apply it, you can as well just wet your face. Now I actually remember to do that, so it is ideal you wet your face, okay, so that this ingredient can actually get into your skin really good. Okay, so I have to apply this generously to get that even clear skin, and the oats in this is actually going to make it work really fine. Yeah, okay, so after a generous application, then what we're going to do now, to get that even clear skin, you must and have to always scrub your face. Okay, scrub your skin really good. Okay, so you scrub especially the affected areas, and where you have um problems, your problem area, you just scrub and get rid of all of those blemishes and scars, and you get rid of all of your problem skin. Now you would equally have to leave this treatment on onto your face for like 3 minutes, but before you do that, you have to apply this again. Okay, so for this ingredient, you can actually before you apply it, it is ideal you actually store it into your refrigerator. And when you store it into your refrigerator, it's going to actually help even if you do not wet your face, just like me. Okay, the treatment is going to be really cooling, really cooling to your face, and it's going to be really active, and it's going to work really strong. Yeah, so okay, Okay, so this is it, and you're gonna leave it on for another 3 minutes. Okay, like this natural ingredient has actually been helping my face a whole lot, and it is superb. Okay, so I'm actually going to go wash this off, and I'll be back after I've waited for 3 minutes, wash my face and apply oil. Now you have to apply a very mild oil, okay? You do not need to, when you are applying natural things, do not apply all of those harsh oil. Just apply a very natural and mild oil. It's gonna be very helpful. So I'll be back. So that's it, guys. Okay, so you have to be consistent in applying this, okay, and then you